value of a polynomial. For the polynomial p of x, if p of k is equals to L, then L is the value of p of x at x is equals to k. For the polynomial p of x అనేటువంటి polynomial p of k is equals to L అయినట్లయితే అంటే x ప్లేస్ లో k ఉంచినట్లయితే సో p of k is equals to L అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ L అనే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే the value of p of x యొక్క వాల్యూ అంటాం. ఎప్పుడు అంటామంటే x is equals to k అయినప్పుడు. సో లెట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ p of x is equals to 5x square minus 4x plus 2. In place of x, we will substitute some integers or some values. Put x is equals to 1. So we will get p of x value. So p of in place of x 1. 5 into 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 plus 2. x ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి చోట ఇక్కడ 1 వాల్యూని మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో p of 1 is equal to 5 minus 4 plus 2. 5 minus 4 will get 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So 3 is the value of p of x. So 3 is the value of the given polynomial or value of p of x. ఇక్కడ 3 అనేది ఈ పాలినామియల్ యొక్క వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. సో some problems you can see in textual. So do this. p of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the values of p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 0, p of minus 1, p of minus 2 and p of minus 3. So you can write the solution of given question. So first question. So given polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. So here put the value of 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We will get the value of p of x. So put x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. So p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 5 into 1 minus 6. 1 minus 5 minus 6. 1 minus 11 that is equals to minus 10. So put x is equals to 1. The polynomial value is minus 10. Next second one. Put x is equals to 2. So p of 2 is equals to 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6. 2 square means 4 minus 10 minus 6. 4 minus 16. 16 minus 4 12 minus 12. So the value of polynomial is 12. Put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 3. Put x is equals to 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 6. 3 square means 9. 5 3s of 15 minus 6. 9 minus 21 which is equal to 21 minus 9 2. Next fourth one. Put x is equals to 0. What is the value of polynomial? Put x is equals to 0. P of 0 is equals to 0 square minus 5 into 0 minus 6. 0 square means 0. 5 into 0 0 minus 6. So we will get minus 6. So this is the value of a given polynomial. Next fifth one. Put x is equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to minus 1. P of p minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. Minus 1 whole square means 1 6. 1 plus 5 6, 6 minus 6 will get 0. So put x is equals to minus -1. So the polynomial given, the value of a given polynomial is 0. And then next sixth one, put x is equals to -2. P of 2 is equal to -2 whole square minus 5 into -2 minus 6. -2 whole square means 4. Minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10 minus 6. 4 plus 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Next seventh one, put x is equals to -3. Put x is equals to -3. P of 3 is equal to -3 whole square minus 5 into -3 minus 6. 3 square minus 3 whole square means 9 minus 5 into -3 plus 15 minus 6. 9 plus 15 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 equal to 18. So this is the value of a given polynomial at x is equals to -3. So this is the complete solution of given question. P of m is equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. So given polynomial P of m is equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. Here m is the variable. So find the value of P of 1 and P of -1. So here P of 1, that means put m is equals to 1, we will get P of 1 value. And P of -1, put m is equals to -1, we will get a given polynomial. So solution of the second question. So given polynomial P of m is equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. So first one, put x is equals to, put m is equals to 1. So P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 square means 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2 minus 3, that is equals to -1. Next second question, put m is equals to -1. So P of -1 equal to -1 whole square minus 3 into -1 plus 1. -1 whole square means 1 minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 5 is the value of a given polynomial. So here put m is equals to 1, we will get the value of polynomial. Put m is equals to -1, we will get 5 is the value of polynomial. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి polynomial లో 1 వాల్యూని మరియు -1 వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకి -1 5 అనేటువంటి వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. సో -1 and -5 are the values of P of m. P of m యొక్క P of m అనేటువంటి పాలినామియల్ యొక్క వాల్యూస్ -1 and -5 అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ మనం చేయాల్సినటువంటి పని ఏమంటే m వేరియబుల్ ఉండే చోట ప్రతి చోట n ఇక్కడ 1 వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే -1 వస్తుంది, మరియు -1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి m ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడ, అప్పుడు 5 వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. -1 and 5 అనేటివి P of m అనేటువంటి పాలినామియల్ యొక్క వాల్యూస్ విలువలు అవుతాయి. టుడే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వి డిస్కస్ జీరో ఆఫ్ polynomial.